Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you are ready to start an online store? Maybe you have to got a great product idea, or you're finally taking that side hostel to the next level. Either way to platform you choose and is going to make or break your experience. That why we're talking about Shopify e-commerce and Wix, three of the biggest names in the e-commerce workplace. If you have Google how to start an online store, you probably come across Shopify. There a reason for that is hand down the most popular e-commerce platform, and for good reason. Shopify is designed for people who want to get their store up and running without any touch heads head coaches. You don't need to know how to code, and everything is step in a way that just makes sense. The dashboard is intuitive, and the step process walk you through everything step by step. If you can handle Netflix, you can handle Shopify. One of Shopify biggest strength is it built-in e-commerce tool. You get everything from abandoned care cart recovery, which help bring big shopper wow don't template their purchasing to multiple channel selling, so you can sell on Instagram, Facebook, and even Amazon. The Shopify app store is another huge plus. Need a down time a subscription service or print on demand integration. There an app of the just keep in mind that some of the best apps come with an extra cost. Shopify pricing started at $39 per month, which include a solid set of feature. However, if you don't use Shopify payment, you have to pay extra transaction fees starting at 2% per sale, which can add it quickly if you are processing a lot of order. Shopping can also grow with your business, whether you are just starting. Sale Shopify high tile plan and Shopify Plus for big business makes or that you want to grow out the platform. If you are serious about growth and hate the idea of extra transaction fees, big e-commerce might be your best bet. That's little more advanced than Shopify, but e-commerce comes with powerful built-in features that can save you money. Big commerce has a bit of a learning curve compared to Shopify. While it is still user-friendly, it throws a lot more options at you, which can feel a little overwhelming if you are a beginner. That said, if you are willing to spending some time getting familiar with it, extra of feature are worth it. E-commerce shine in two areas: to no transaction fees and advanced e-commerce tool include no extra cost. Unlike Shopify, you don't need to install a bunch of third-party apps to get things like custom product filter, advanced SEO tool, and bulk pricing discount. Another cool feature in handless commerce. This late you use big commerce powerful backend with a different front end website builder, which is a great if you want to customize your store even further. Big commerce pricing starts at $29 per month, which is not much less than Shopify, and you get no extra transaction fees no matter which payment process you use use over time. Then this can save you money as well. Business that want to scale quickly, store owner who want to build in future without relying on paid app, and people who want to avoid transaction fees well. are your top priorities, Wix might be the best option. It's not as future reach is a Shopify app for big commerce, but for small business and also solo entrepreneurs, it get the job done beautiful. Wix is a drag and drop website, which means you can really click, drag and move things exactly where you want to them. It perfect for people who want to creative control over their store design but don't know how to code. While Wix is not e-commerce powerhouse like Shopify or BigCommerce is, does offer solid feature for small online store. You get basic mobile optimization and built-in SEO tool. However, things like multiple channel selling and advanced automation tool are more limited compared to other competition. Wix e-commerce plan started at $27 per month, making it the cheapest option on this list. However, if you need more advanced e-commerce tool, you may find yourself outgrowth Wix. Wix is a perfect for small business, but not ideal for so large scale store. You are expecting a high volume of scale. Shopify or BigCommerce will be a better long-term solution. So, which one should you choose plainly if you want to the best overall e-commerce experience with an easy-to-use interface and strong features? Shopify is the safest bet. E-commerce is great for growth without extra fees, while Wix is ideal for smaller shop that priorities design and timely city. Thank you so much for watching and next time. Take care.